Hey you guys, it's Jasmine and thank you for clicking on my video. And if you're interested in this super simple and easy home style French toast recipe, then just keep on watching. And I also wanted to mention that I already have a French toast recipe up already, but it's more fancy restaurant like. So if you're interested in that, I'll leave the link for this in the description and it'll also be available at the end of the video. So let's get to this French toast today. So we're going to add in some milk, some eggs, and then we're going to add in some cinnamon sugar. Then we're going to add in a little bit of salt. And guys, the full recipe will be down in the description. And we're going to add in some vanilla. And we're just going to whisk this up. Alright, now we're going to take some bread. And the bread I'm using is Texas toast. I got this out the bread aisle at Walmart. And we're going to take a skillet on about 325 degrees Fahrenheit and add 4 tablespoons of butter. Alright, and I like to take my bread and dip it into the French toast batter and I flip it twice. So each side gets dunked twice. And then I'm going to go ahead and lay that flatly into my skillet. And we're going to cook this for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side until it gets brown. Everyone's skillet is different. So just check underneath and make sure it's nice and brown. And voila, we are all done. Guys, these are so good. All you need is some syrup and butter. I even went ahead and added a little bit of powdered sugar on there. This Texas toast just takes it to the next level rather than just using regular bread because it makes it a little bit thicker and it holds that batter a little bit, better. And you see me just digging in. Guys, these were so good. I went ahead and made me a second portion. So you will be able to get about 12 thick French toast out of this recipe, guys, while using the Texas toast. It looks so good. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. I hope you try it out. Let me know in the comments if you liked it. And thank you guys so much for watching. I love when you guys interact with me. And I want you guys to enjoy the rest of your day. Bye-bye.